Okay, so for today's trip, I'm buying the one-day 24-hour ticket. The lines will be on the left side as you see it on the direction board. And then we should stop really on the last stop, the San Siro Stadium, the last stop on the M5 purple lines. That pick it up again. Oh, off we go. It's a big. So on the match day, the flow of the passenger will have to go through this kind of door. On any normal day, we can just exit through these doors on the side. The home for the both Milan team. In the future, it's still unclear. Hopefully they won't tear it down. It's such an iconic building. And while you are here, please subscribe and give the support and like the video. What an amazing stadium. Wow. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Strolling Around channel. That was the quick intro. Now, for the full part of the video, I will show you how to get to San Siro Stadium from Centrale Station. Now we are here at the Centrale Station. You can get to the Metropolitan subway from any stairs with the M logo on it. Once you see this M sign, the red M sign, then you will always have the access to go to the Metropolitan subway. Okay, let's make our way down to the Metropolitan subway station in Centrale, Milan. So as you make your way one floor down from the Centrale Station, you head a bit to the right. For this video, I already bought my daily ticket for 24 hours. And if you want to know how to buy this ticket, I will put the clip right in now. So for today's trip, I'm buying the one-day 24-hour ticket. Let's choose the language first. So for this one, we're taking this daily free zone. It's gonna cost €7.60. This is where you want to select how many tickets you want to buy. Maximum is 5 tickets. And then I'm gonna continue. You can pay either with cash or a credit card. You can always buy the ATM ticket, which can be used for Metropolitan subway, trams, and bus on any ticket machine available near the entrance gate of every Metropolitan station. Like you have it on this side and that side as well. So let's get on with our options on how to get to the San Siro Stadium from Centrale Station by using the Metropolitan subway. There are 2 lines here in Centrale Stations. We have the green line, the M2 green line, and also we have the M3 yellow line. This is the same line that can take you all the way to Duomo. But for this video, as we are going to San Siro Stadium, then we will need to make a transfer to the purple line, to M5, purple or lilac one, that is located in Zara. So we are now here in Centrale FS. Then you will need to take the Metropolitana M3, the yellow line that goes to the direction of Comasina, you take 2 stops passing San Siro and get off at Zara Station, then switch to the purple M5 that will take you directly to San Siro Stadium in Milan. So once you arrived on Zara M3 yellow line station, then you look for this sign. It says Ushita exit, and then you see the escalator icon and the M5 metro that will take us to the San Siro Stadium. And that will lead us to this escalator, taking you 1 floor above the platform level. Then once you arrive on this floor, look to the left, you'll see this access that will take you to the M5 metro lines. So see, we are now here in Zara Station. Then we will take this line all the way to the last station, to San Siro Stadium. The lines will be on the left side, as you see it on the direction board with San Siro. Take this one. Just to make sure you're on the right side is to look at this directional board, station board. This the one on the right is all in gray. The train has arrived. Okay, let's take it. So for the second option, if you want to go to the San Siro Stadium in Milan from Centrale Station, you can also take the M2, the green line, and make the transfer to M5, the purple line or the lilac one, in Garibaldi Station. So here we are in Centrale Station. You will need to take 2 stops passing Gioia and get off at Garibaldi Station. Then you switch to the M5, the lilac line, the purple line that will take you directly to San Siro Stadium in Milan. Once you arrive on the Garibaldi Station from Centrale on the M2 green line, you look again for the same sign that says Ushita with M5. I think this one is a bit worn out. Logo on it that will take us to the San Siro Station. This color looks better. It's the M5. You look the arrow. Either way, if you cannot find the one with the icon of escalator, you'll find the usual stairs, which will help for burning a bit of the calorie for today. Let's go. It's relatively easy. Once you get up the stairs, you'll see the entrance to the M5, the purple lines, the lilac lines, and we are here now in Garibaldi, the green lines, and we're taking it all the way to the San Siro, the last station. Our train has arrived. Not sure we can make it. A bit of quick jog, then take another one. That is the train, and we'll make it. If not, we'll just wait. Usually on normal days, the gap between is like 5 or 7 minutes between next train. I think we're gonna make it. On each and every stop, you can see on the screen it's written on which side the door will be open, and then we should stop really on the last stop, the San Siro Stadium the last stop on the M5 purple lines that will take us directly to the San Siro Stadium. Okay, now we have arrived in San Siro Stadium. This is the last stop where everyone should get off from the Metro M5 purple line. And here we are on the last stop of the M5 purple line, which takes us directly to the San Siro Stadium. Once you arrived, always look for the Uscita exit sign. A little tip from me, look for this little icon. It says the escalator. It saves you a couple kilocalories rather than climbing the stairs, but it's up to you. I can tell you it's quite steep on this station for you to get off to the ground floor. You'll see by yourself. Look at these stairs. Oh yeah, by the way, always keep your ticket in hand because you will need this. Not only this one is a one daily ticket, so I will keep it for 1 day for 24 hours. You also need this to exit the station, and every time you change any means of transportation, I suggest you to always validate your ticket. Okay, here we are. Simple as making your way to the exit gate. Okay, pick it up again. Oh, off we go. Now, as always, we are looking for the small icon that says escalator. Otherwise, feel free to take these stairs. Or should we take these stairs? Okay, let's take it. I haven't had my breakfast. It's a good way to burn a couple kilocalories before breakfast. I'm really out of shape. I should be back on my jogging. Yeah, it's a summer day. This is the last day of the summer heat in Milan. So for the whole week, it will be somewhere around 34 to 37 degrees Celsius. So on the match day, the flow of the passenger will have to go through this kind of door. On any normal day, we can just exit through these doors on the side. You can always go for a guided tour. You just need to go to the gate number 8. They will have the ticket counter in there. You can buy directly, or you can also buy the ticket from their official website. I have made a full tour video about San Siro Stadium, which I went all the way through the changing room to both team AC Milan and Inter Milan. This is the home for the both Milan team. In the future, it's still unclear. Hopefully they won't tear it down. So if you're interested to watch the full tour of San Siro Stadium, please do watch the video on the Strolling Around channel. And while you are here, please subscribe and give the support and like the video. Thank you so much. Ci vediamo. Ciao. What an amazing stadium. Wow.